Ready to up your streaming recording game? Learn how to download and install OBS Studio on Windows 11 or 10 in just a few easy steps. This step-by-step tutorial guides you through the process from downloading the software to setting it up for your first broadcast or recording. No tech expertise needed. Just follow along and get ready to unleash your creativity. To download and install OBS Studio on Windows 11 or 10, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the official OBS Studio website. Step 2. Locate the download button on the home page. Step 3. Click the download button to initiate the download. Step 4. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Step 6. Choose your preferred settings and options during the installation process. Step 7. Click Finish to complete the installation. After these steps, OBS Studio should be installed on your Windows 11 or 10 computer, and you can start using it for recording and streaming.